jum nam dakka takita jum ta ta dim tum nam ta ta tangida dik tarigida dik ta di ta dhanna ta ta tarigida dik dhanna ta ta dhanna ta ta dim ta tari ta ta dhanna ta 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 di ta dhanna ta dhanna ta de tangida dik tarigida dik ta 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 dim tarigida dik ta ta dim tarigida dik ta dim tarigida dik ta dim tarigida dik ta jum tarigida dik ta tangida dik tarigida dik dingida dik tarigida dik dongida dik tarigida dik ta.
Namaste. Hi everyone. My name is Vrinda Sunil and I am the founder of the Indian Classical Dance School, Natyalaya School of Arts. Founded in 2006 and located in Carmel, Indiana. We teach two types of Indian dance forms, Mohiniyattam and Bharathanatyam. India has 9 classical dance forms. Bharathanatyam is one of the most popular among these. Earliest references to it are found in the literature of South India spanning from 3rd century BC to 4th century AD. After the 10th century, it developed in the southern state of Tamil Nadu under the patronage of kings who ruled in the region and was primarily performed in Hindu temples. Accuracy of sculptures in temple architecture depicting dance poses bear witness to the relevance and understanding of the form in that era. However, during the British rule in India, the temple dance tradition came under much duress. But fortunately, by 20th century, there was a parallel movement to restore the dance to its former magnificence. It started being performed outside of the temple and crystallized to the current form. Bharatanatyam retained its characteristic devotional component, expression of emotions and storytelling. It is comprised of 3 main aspects. First one is Nritha, technical aspect, which has intricate rhythmic patterns. Second one is Nrithya, expressional aspect, supplemented with gestures, body language and postures to convey any mood. I am waiting for her to come here. She is my friend. Where is she? Where is she? And the third one is Natya, dramatic storytelling. So that time that person will be becoming as a character. Then showing the action and their costume also will be just the dramatic style costume will be there they are wearing and showing the action. All of these aspects are codified in the Natya Shastra, the ancient Indian treatise on dance and theatre arts, and are used in harmony to uplift the audience and the dancer to a higher level of contentment and spiritual consciousness.